Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Robert and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a website called ninite.com. It is a website from which you can basically create installers that will allow you to install multiple programs at the same time. It is very useful if you just did a new computer setup or installation of Windows and need to install multiple programs at once. And it's completely free to use as long as the only thing you're using it for is to do software installations on personal devices and stuff like that. So the first thing you would want to do is go to a major search engine like Google or Bing and type in the following. You would want to type in, and full disclosure, I'm doing this on a virtual machine I set up just because I like to keep when I record videos. I like to not do it on my personal machine just to keep things cleaner. But just go ahead and type in Ninite. And then up at the top, you're going to see this link here. And I will leave the direct link down in the video notes for when I do this. But you will see here that you have a whole bunch of different programs listed like WinRAR, 7-Zip, Zoom, and stuff like that. So let's say that I wanted to install Zoom and VLC Player. And oh, what the heck, let's just go ahead and grab Google Chrome while we're at it, which is Google Chrome, and go ahead and get your Ninite. This I've also done on a Windows 11 computer, so despite the fact that that had a little note there at the bottom that said 7, 8, and 10 are only supported, I've done this on Windows 11 too, and it also worked on Windows 11. But you will see there that the installer got created at the top, so what we're going to do is we're going to go Open File, and then it's going to go ahead and run the installer. We'll hit yes, and then it's downloading and installing the latest programs, and it's just going to go through this process. And this can sometimes take a minute depending upon how many programs you have installed or how powerful your computer is. So it can take a minute, but it's usually pretty quick. So we're just going to let it run through. It's going to download and install all three of the programs that we selected, VLC, Chrome, and the other one. And then it's going to say finished, and then we're going to hit close. And now if we close this window, you will see that we have Zoom, VLC, and Google Chrome all set up on the computer. And instead of having to install those three programs, we are separately, we have them all complete and done. Now there is one caveat with this. While they're usually pretty good about that, they don't always have the most up-to-date installers for everything, so it's always worthwhile to go in here and check and make sure you have the latest versions, and you can do that by doing something like this. And this will just do the first thing it does. Yep, continue. And then we go help, check for updates just to make sure that there's no newer version, and there isn't. And you can also do something similar on the Google Chrome and Zoom that you have installed. And this is going to go through its first run wizard, skip, and then we can do this and help about Google Chrome. And Chrome was up to date. So those two installers were good. The other thing we could do is go through Zoom and check if that, but that's just a primary precaution I would take, just to make sure that the program is as up to date as possible. So that's just a quick and easy tool that you can use if you need to install multiple programs on your machine quickly and don't want to have to take the time to go to the individual download sites. I hope you guys found this one helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.